We're standing outside one of the most modern shirt factories in Canada today. Out of this building come the brand name shirts, pajamas, and boxer shorts sold in all Eaton stores across Canada. Let's go inside now and see some of the important manufacturing and selling points which make these products worthy of the labels they carry. In this showroom are grouped together some of the many shirt and pajama styles which are made under Eaton brand labels. These labels are Eatonia, Birkdale, and Sherwood. The fabrics going into these garments come from many parts of the world. High-count Egyptian poplins, good quality flannelettes from Great Britain, fancy colored wovens from Europe, flannelettes from India, as well as many of our very fine Canadian fabrics. Today's well-dressed men demand many fashion changes. These fashions are interpreted in colors such as stripes, checks, or solid colors, and of course the ever-popular white. Our customers also demand the newest treatment in collars and cuffs. Collars can be the new snap tab, the button down, or the popular fused or soft collar. Cuffs may be convertible or the French type, commonly known as the double cuff. A shirt is made of approximately 24 to 29 pieces. This necessitates many manufacturing operations such as cutting, stitching, pressing, and fusing. Throughout these operations, the greatest care is taken to ensure perfect fit and color match. This we shall see as we tour through the factory. In the cutting room, experienced hands prepare and cut the many sections of a shirt in order to ensure perfection. Every part of a shirt is numbered so that the correctly shaded parts can be assembled into the one garment. Small parts such as neck bands, collars, cuffs, and pockets are precision die cut for exactness and continuity of size. Now we move into the assembling area, where section by section, a shirt is developed to the finished product. This is the right front of a shirt, having the buttons sewn on. One of the most fascinating machines is the automatic button sewing machine. This sews all the front buttons at a speed of approximately 30 per minute with predetermined spacing. The left front is processed with the pockets and the buttonholes completely finished. Let's watch for a moment. Now we see the yoke attached to the back. Notice the pleats being inserted to give the wearer comfort and freedom of movement. Sleeves are stitched into the armholes. We now see the shirt taking shape. All the pieces except the collar are together, and side seams are firmly sewn. The collar being the most important part of the shirt, as type and fit must be accurate, a separate room has been incorporated into the factory to eliminate dust and dirt, which otherwise might appear between the layers of the fabric. Materials are carefully examined for flaws, and lining selected to match the outer fabric of the collar. Meticulous care is taken in the composition and construction. The operator here sews the lining and the two pieces of collar fabric together. This machine turns the collar right side out and presses them on a precision-made die. The collar now commences to take shape, and in this operation, the machine is sewing at such high speeds that compressed air is directed onto the needle as a coolant in order to avoid burning the material. Meanwhile, on this machine, neckbands have been taking shape on a precision mold, thus ensuring the high-grade quality and exact sizing. In the case of fused collars, the tops are passed through another process where they are treated with a chemical solution and placed on a hot press. There, the outer fabric is welded to the lining. After this process, the collars are now sewn to the shirt body. A final examination is made of each shirt before pressing. This operator is starching the neckband before pressing the collar. In this phase of manufacturing, the neckband, which has been made larger than the size shown on the collar band, is now reduced by this machine to the exact size shown on the collar. This operation ensures that the wearer will have the correct size and fitting of collar from the day of purchase throughout the life of the garment. The shirt body and sleeves are filled with live steam and sleeves pulled taut. Here we see the final folding of the garment. The shirt is folded, boarded, and pinned, and protected by a plastic bag. The wrapped shirts are boxed with other shirts of same size and style. The clearly labeled boxes are now ready for the stockroom. Orders are filled from this stockroom for the many retail stores and mail order divisions of the T. Eaton Company. And the story of a shirt comes to a happy ending by a customer purchasing an Etonia, Birkdale, or Sherwood shirt. An Eaton salesman sells with confidence because he knows the best of materials, workmanship, and equipment have been combined to make the finest shirts available in this price range.